Festivals around the world that you can't miss. What's the best way to truly immerse yourself in a culture? Festivals. From dazzling light shows to unique cultural traditions, festivals bring people together in unforgettable ways. To Seven Seas Holidays, your go-to travel agency for adventure-packed, tailor-made holidays. We specialize in taking you to extraordinary destinations like Canada's Aurora snow package or other stunning locales, where adventure meets awe. Stay tuned to discover the world's most spectacular festivals you simply can't miss. 1. Harbin International Ice and Snow Festival, China. We're kicking things off with a festival that's as magical as it is chilly, the Harbin International Ice and Snow Festival in China. Picture larger-than-life ice sculptures, some towering as high as skyscrapers, all glowing with vibrant colors. This winter wonderland attracts millions every January and February. If you're an adventure seeker, there are ice biking, sledding, and snow art exhibitions to explore. Looking to embrace the winter spirit? Seven Seas Holidays can help you pair this frosty adventure with equally breathtaking destinations like Canada's snow-capped landscapes. Check out our website for exclusive packages. 2. Carnival of Venice, Italy. Next on the list, we have the iconic Carnival of Venice, a festival where you feel that you have stepped into a painting from the Renaissance. It is held in February every year. This extravagant event is all about glamorous masks, elegant masquerade balls, and period costumes. You may stroll through a cobblestone street, marvel at the amazing performances in St. Mark's Square, or even be a part of a gondola parade. 3. Holi Festival, India. Are you ready to witness splashes of color all over the sky? Holi is the festival of colors in India. It is a mix of joy, vibrant hues, and music. It is held every year in March and symbolizes the victory of good over evil and the occurrence of spring. People gather to throw colored powders, dance to traditional songs, and indulge in festival treats such as thandai and gujia. 4. Oktoberfest, Germany. This one is for real beer lovers. The Oktoberfest, held in Munich, Germany, is known as the world's largest beer festival. It draws almost 6 million visitors every year. Starting up in late September and running till early October, it is more than just about beer. It's a cultural event with traditional Bavarian music, hearty food, and vibrant parades. Don't forget your lederhosen or dirndl for the full experience. 5. Aurora Viewing Festivals, Canada. For something truly otherworldly, Canada's Aurora Viewing Festivals take stargazing to the next level. In locations like Yellowknife, the northern lights come alive in a dazzling natural show. Imagine sitting under the night sky, surrounded by snow, as green, pink, and purple lights dance above you. Combine this with winter activities like snowmobiling or husky sledding for the ultimate adventure. Dreaming of experiencing the auroras firsthand? Seven Seas Holidays Aurora Snow Package in Canada offers everything you need to make this bucket list trip unforgettable. Visit our website to book now. 6. Day of the Dead, Mexico. Dia de los Muertos, also known as the Day of the Dead. It is a vibrant celebration of memories and life. It is held from the 31st of October and continues till the 2nd of November. It is an event where every family honors their close ones with marigolds, traditional foods like pan de muerto, and marigolds. Visit cities like Oaxaca or Mexico City for stunning parades and colorful street decorations. 7. Rio Carnival, Brazil. How can we talk about festivals and not mention the Rio Carnival in Brazil? Known as the world's largest street party, it is held every year in February, and we kid you not, it is like a feast for all your senses, featuring samba parades, non-stop music, and intricate costumes. Even if you are dancing on the streets or just admiring the floats of the parade, the Rio Carnival of Brazil is pure magic. Festivals are more than just events, they're windows into a culture's soul, offering unforgettable moments and unique traditions. Whether you're drawn to the icy sculptures of Harbin, the colorful powder of Holi, or the celestial beauty of Canada's Auroras, there's a festival waiting for you. Ready to make your travel dreams a reality? Visit 7 Seas Holidays today to explore our tailor-made packages and expert travel planning. Adventure, culture, and excitement are just a click away. Where will your next journey take you?